Good morning, parents. Good morning, little stars. So, today we are going to do some more activities on standing line and sleeping line. Hope you are practicing the previous activities. You remember me, right? Swastika ma'am has showed you some activities on standing line and sleeping line with the help of strings and some colors, remember? So this time we will be doing some more activities but with the help of your school drawing book and crayons. Okay, so parents, kindly take out the drawing book from the school stationery kit and please cover the drawing book with the help of the transparent sheet which is provided from the school and label it. Put the name, section, everything there. Fine. Now turn the first page. Take out a blank sheet and on the top, with the help of a scale, draw a straight line like this. Okay? On the left hand side, left hand corner of the book, write down the date your child will be doing this activity. On the middle, write the time. We have allotted 20 minutes for each activity. So, please write TIME, time, 20 minutes in the middle. And remind them, once the time is over, they need to finish their activity or any exercise within this allotted time. So, remind them that the time is up, you have to finish it. Fine? And in the right hand corner, write homework as they are doing it at home. So please write homework. Okay? Now divide this sheet into 3 halves. First half, they will do a free drawing. They will take any color of their choice and they will do standing line from the top end to the bottom. Just randomly. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. In the second half, you can see that we have given some dots. But see the gaps. There are 4 dots in this line. Okay, we need to give some gaps in between. Now again tell your child to choose any other color and tell them to join these dots slowly, and parents make sure that their grip is in a proper way. This is very important, parent. You don't need to help them regarding these lines or anything. Just you draw the dots, give the dots in the book and give it to them. But please make sure that they are holding the crayons in a proper way with the 3 fingers. The thumb, the index finger and the middle finger. This is very important. Okay? And secondly, this is a school drawing book. So, please tell your child to take care of it. No scribbling here. No untidy works will be accepted. You need to sit beside them and observe. Please don't hold their hands and guide them. You just sit, you just see whether they can finish their work on the allotted time, whether they are holding the crayons in a proper way. That's it. And appreciate their work. Encourage them. Okay, parents? Now they are going to join the dotted one, the dots. standing line, and please repeat this word, standing line. Next, you can see I have given lots of dots. So again tell your child to pick up another color and tell them to join the dots. Standing line. So that was the first day work. Now next day we will be doing the sleeping line. Please parent, don't do both the exercise in one day. It will confuse your child. So next day again, with the help of the scale, draw a straight line on the top and write the date, then the time, 20 minutes again, homework, the same way. You will repeat this. Fine? Now divide this sheet again into 3 halves. Fine? On the first part, they will do a free drawing with the help of the crayon. Free lines from the left to right. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Please repeat these terms again and again. Sleeping line. Same way, again give some dots and give some gap in the middle. Okay? Tell your child to pick up another color and tell them to join these dots. Sleeping line. Maybe they won't be as fast as I am doing, but let them take time. Please don't tell them to, to be fast. Sleeping line. Again, take another color and the dots which you have given, they are going to join these dots. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Parent, you can make this kind of worksheet at home. Any random drawing you can give for their practice purpose. Let them practice as much as they can in the loose sheet. Or you can give some rough papers if you have, or rough copies if you have. Give some dots like this and let them join the dots. Okay. Now, we will be uploading 2 such worksheets. One, as you can see, is of standing line. Another, sleeping line. Here also, date you have to mention. Time is 20 minutes you have to give, and name. With the help of the pencil, please write this date, time and name. Only the first letter of your child's name should be in capital and only the name. No need to write the surname. Just write down your child's name here. That's it. And the first letter of the name should be in capital. So, sleeping line worksheet and standing line worksheet will be uploaded. Please make them do these worksheets and you will find there is a clipboard. So, your child can clip the worksheet on the clipboard and can do it. It will help them to get the grip, So, please use this board. Fine. And when they will finish doing these worksheets, you will see there is a white folder in the stationery kit. So keep the worksheets inside the file. I hope, again I am telling you, please label all the stationeries. All the files, all the color crayon boxes should be labeled. So, after the child finishes, please put it inside the folder. Fine? Okay, bye for now. See you again. Have a good day.